Thank you, Excellency. Thank you, Excellency. Thank you, Excellency.
Very Benny Square.
Your Excellency, sir. How are you, sir?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You're welcome. My brother, man.
How are you, sir?
My in-law.
Excellencies, distinguished Diri, the miracle CON GSSR Pillar Sports.
You that River State is still ingrained in us. And so, for me, the challenges of the South-South, the challenges of the Niger Delta, the challenges of Rivers and Bayelsa, you have worn the shoe. And it's only those who wear the shoes that knows where it is pinching. And so there is no other aspirant that understands our challenges and our problems more than you. And so you could have as well said, this is our state. I don't even need to come to campaign in Bayelsa. I don't even need to come and see the delegates in Bayelsa. My brother governor is there. He will do it for me. And if you had called me on phone, I would have said, don't come. Stay back in Port Harcourt. We will do it for you here. And so there is no gainsaying the fact that you understand our problems more than any other aspirant, because you are indeed from this place. You are a homegrown politician, and not only that, a lot of people don't know that you are from a very sacred background. In fact, including me, when I was told that your father is a reverend, I said, are you sure that my brother, governor's father, is a reverend? And so you understand everything about us, and we can only but pray that our son, as he's going out to battle, we are behind him. As you rightly noted, we have been in our own smaller circles, in the Governors Forum circle and in other circles, we have been agitating for the constitution of our party to be implemented, and which follows that we have had a northern governor, a northern president for 8 years, and we believe that for the sake of equity, fairness, and justice, it should actually revert to the southern part of Nigeria. And just yesterday, when one of our colleagues called here, I reiterated that fact, that the presidency should actually have the support of the North to be moved to the South. And so for me, I still stand on it. And again and again, not cajoling anybody, but to appeal to the sensibilities of our brothers on the other side, from the North. I'm happy to see my friend Senator Nazif with you and our leader Dan Kwambo, which is to show that our brothers from the North who stands on equity, justice, and fair play are also of the view and hold the same opinion with us. You support us this time, and when it is your turn, we will equally support. You fall for me, I fall for you, now play. And so let us avoid campaigns of calumny, and let's have an issue-based campaign. You have raised a lot of issues. We have also listened to you. For now, the issues are very clear. Nigerians are waiting for PDP. Can PDP put their acts together, and then Nigeria that has been brought down from top to bottom, now can PDP raise Nigeria again from bottom to top? Because the campaign slogan I heard from the other party, they say it's top to bottom. And truly everything about Nigeria has been brought down from top to bottom. Is it the economy? Top to bottom. Is it security? Top to bottom. Is it our currency? Top to bottom. Nigerians are waiting on us as a party. So, Your Excellency, we have no other time than today, not tomorrow, to unite as a party. The unity of all of you who are aspiring to lead us as president is very paramount. So that at the end of the day, I always use myself as an example. Man will do his best, but God will always come down to choose who he wants to be president of this country. Peradventure, God chooses one out of all of you. Please, my advice is that we should still all come together at the end of the day to keep PDP strong and to have PDP as the party that will take over in 2023. You raised the issue of those who are waiting on me. Today, they would have heard me speak. And as we speak, your delegates are all waiting for you. Time is even not on our side. But because Bayelsa and Rivers is a stone throw, so even if you finish by 8 o'clock, you can still find your way to Port Harcourt. Before now, Bayelsa in Yenagoa used to be one road small capital of Yenagoa local government area. But because of state creation, we now have a new city in the name and in the face of Yenagoa. We are counted to be those who lay the golden egg. How much of that golden egg has been brought back to us in the Niger Delta, in Rivers State, and in Bayelsa State? And that's why I started by saying that you are one who knows our own challenges, our own problems. And so this is your state, and you know why I have not joined you. You know that as a first-term governor, I need to put my feet on the ground. You are a two-term governor, and you just have some months now, to call it off. And so you have all it takes. You have done so much for your people, and they acknowledge that. And we all are seeing it, and we acknowledge it. And so I need to stay back to also do like you have done. And that's why you have not seen me join you in what you are doing. But just to let you know that our people are behind you, and that's why the party is well represented here. And as we close,
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.